Hello friends, over the past couple of weeks we have been exploring Mumbai's coastlines to soak up the monsoon vibes at the beaches. Because I love watching the sea during this time. I love watching the sea in all its monsoon fury. The sea becomes so wild and furious by this time, right? So friends, I'm sure you love the monsoon and the coastal atmosphere just as much. And although we tried to visit the iconic Juhu beach last week, it was dark and quite late by the time we arrived there. So today I'm determined to return to Juhu beach area to explore the real vibe there, the monsoon vibe. Okay, so I'm heading straight to Juhu beach. But first I'm at Nariman Point now, enjoying the beautiful coastline, walking along this Nariman Point promenade. And from here, I'll catch a bus to Churchgate station, then hop on a local train to Ville Parle, and from Ville Parle, I'll take another bus to Juhu Beach. That's my plan for today. So, are you ready for the adventure? And plus, Nariman Point is located at the southern tip of Mumbai, in the heart of the city's business district. It lies adjacent to Marine Drive and overlooks the Arabian Sea. It is well connected to Churchgate, Colaba and the other key areas of South Mumbai. Nariman Point is one of Mumbai's most iconic waterfront promenades, offering a serene escape right in the middle of the city's bustling commercial hub. Flanked by towering skyscrapers and luxury hotels, the promenade curves gently along the Arabian Sea, giving walkers, joggers and visitors a wide, breezy pathway to relax and soak in the coastal charm. And the waves crashing against the huge tetrapods along the coastline is an amazing sight to watch. The entire promenade bustling with life. Some people stroll along the walkway while others prefer to sit still and enjoy the rhythm of the waves. This is Churchgate railway station. It's just 10 to 12 minutes walking distance from here. I don't need to take a bus. Okay, and I'm heading to Churchgate railway station right now. I just want to cross this road and enter that lane. This is the shortcut to Churchgate railway station. Now enter this lane. This is the way to the Churchgate railway station. Okay, this is the promenade. On the way you can see this popular Wankhede Stadium. This is the Churchgate Station Road shortcut to Churchgate railway station. It's a beautiful land, full of trees on the sides and beautiful residential tires. Because I've already made to the Churchgate railway station, it's less than 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes. Okay, this is the shortcut. See this board Churchgate, but this is not the main gate. I'll show you the main gate. This is the rear entry. So main gate is out there. Yes friends, finally I'm at Churchgate railway station now. This Churchgate, this is the main gate. So you're going to enter the station and take a ticket to Ville Parle. So this is the Churchgate railway station. You're going to take a ticket. I'll take a ticket from here to Ville Parle, and there are several shops here, food stalls here, ice cream, burgers, hot dog, everything available. Jumbo King Vada Pav is there. Mr. Jumbo King. This is the ticket counter. I'll get my ticket from here. This is my ticket to Ville Parle, from Churchgate to Ville Parle. It costs only 10 rupees, only 10 rupees for single ticket, not return. Before boarding the train, I want to eat something because I'm really starving right now. So I'll eat something from here. There's a, let me see. So I got this cheese Frankie, wet cheese Frankie, only for 40 rupees. There's a Borivali train. You can see the board, Borivali. Borivali is the last stop. So it comes after Vile Parle. So I'll get off at Vile Parle station. At first you can see very limited number of people right now. Because this is not the peak hour. That's right. The time is only 2:15. But I believe this is the right time to travel on the local train in Mumbai. Now I'm walking over this FOB, foot over bridge at Vile Parle station to get to the other side from where I get my bus to Juhu Beach. And right now I'm on the west SV Road. SV Road, one of the main arterial road of Mumbai suburbs. Now I have to turn left this way to go to the Juhu Beach. So I'll take a bus from here. It's not too far. I think almost 2.5 to 3 kilometers. But I'm going to take a bus from here. Because there's no sign of a bus now. So after waiting for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, I decided to walk to the beach as it is only 2 kilometers from the station. So I'm walking to the beach now. No option. I don't want to waste time. Okay. So I love Juhu Beach so much. And my main objective beyond visiting Juhu Beach this time is just to soak up the monsoon vibes there. Okay. And as I love watching the sea during the monsoon. And I keep wondering, one other thing is that I keep wondering why every time, each time I set out to take videos, I set out to explore places, the weather always seems to favor me without any heavy rainfall. That's a wonderful thing. Okay. So friends, this is Juhu Naka or Juhu Junction. From here I have to turn right. So this is the way to the beach. Yes, dear friends, now I am entering the beach, Juhu Beach, the iconic, popular and my favorite Juhu Beach. So when I was here last week, it was very late and the entire area was completely dark with almost no visibility. So I couldn't explore the beach then. So I decided to come back. That's why I'm here right now, today, this evening. Okay. So friends, I'm finally at the beach, my favorite Juhu Beach. The weather is okay, quite good now, no rainfalls. Wow, there are people, but no stalls. All the stores are, food stalls are closed there. Even now. And friends, the beach is crowded now. You can see so many people already on the beach. But I'm so sorry to see all this plastic waste here. So much. See all this plastic waste. So sad to see this. Maybe during high tide all the waste from the sea ends up on the shore. That's happened. That's what happened. So, but I think the cleaning drive is on. I just saw one truck loaded with plastic waste just passing by. All this waste is a plastic waste. So sorry. Oh my goodness, see the condition here. All this waste landed here. See, so horrible. This beach looks so dirty now. It's otherwise beautiful. Juhu beach looks so dirty now. Oh my goodness, all this plastic waste. So much waste. But I love to see the waves, the rough sea. So weather is absolutely fabulous now. No rains. मानसून है तो ऐसा होना चाहिए. If you are really enjoying. Amazing vibe. Super. Very super. Very super. See. First, now I want to show you the other side of the Juhu beach. Around 1 kilometer away from the spot we were at just a short while ago. And this place looks much better with better vibes here. Almost all shops are opened here. I think maybe these shops are unaffected by the monsoon waves. I'll show you. And this side of the beach, of course, looks much better. See all these shops, snack shops, various shops selling Mumbai, typical Mumbai snacks here. And see all these snacks. Mumbai street food. So let's go inside. See all these stalls. Wow, amazing. We should have come to this place first. Oh, there are hundreds of shops here. All these are Mumbai street food, various street foods and drinks and soft drinks, everything available. All this ice cream, vada pav. See, the hundreds of shops. This is the real vibe. Wow. Pav bhaji. This is faluda with rabdi and so many hundreds of varieties here. Wow, my dear friends, so the vibe is totally different here. There are thousands of people here at this side of the beach. See, this is amazing. Wow. This is the Santa Cruz area of Juhu Beach. Absolutely fabulous. See the crowd. Yeah. This is my Juhu Beach. And this is the popular star hotel Ramada Plaza Palm Grove. And this side of the beach is much better and much cleaner than the first one we visited just a short while ago. And the vibe is also totally different here. And another fascinating sight here is of course these coconut trees, coconut palms. Beautiful. Amazing. Hello, this side of the beach, Juhu Beach. And here you can see statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Beautiful. And this is the Ramada Palm Grove Star Hotel. This place is absolutely fabulous. This side of the beach is very gorgeous. And there are several restaurants, star hotels and restaurants here, including this Palm Grove. And it's another restaurant here, Bora Bora, China Gate, this Chinese restaurant. And it's very beautiful side of the beach. That's all for today. I'm signing off. I'll see you next Friday. Next Friday, 5:40 p.m. Indian time. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much. Now I will board my train from Santa Cruz railway station, which is the closest one to this beach. It is straight to the beach. It is straight to the station now. So thank you so much. See you. Bye bye. Take care.